just a blank canvas. A lot of trees and railing and very pedestrian friendly with easy access parking lots and crosswalks nearby. So as you come around the sidewalk, back up on top 8th Street. So we can go down and see, there's a little crosswalk on that off-ramp right there. So it's just an ideal setting for a Yarnbomb installation. Sidewalk that comes down. There's a couple more trees on the other side here when you're coming up out of the underpass. Right here, I parked over here. You can see security bank building, and you can just see all the amazing trees and this just kind of neutral backdrop. Way to cross the street here at Fresno Street. You walk down from 8th Street, then come back around and go up the other side. You walk under the underpass and go up a ways. You see historic